Hi, welcome to Concepts Hub. In this video, we are going to discuss computer related questions. Let us start. Dash is a computer program designed to prevent, detect, and remove malware from computer. I'll give you 2 seconds to answer. And the answer is antivirus. Next question. Dash booting is when you start the computer from an off position. The answer is cold booting. Next. Dash booting is when you restart the computer that is already on. The answer is warm booting. Next question. What is the full form of CLI? The answer is command line interface. Next question. Dash is a software designed to help to analyze, configure, optimize, or maintain a computer. The answer is utility software. Next question. Dash is the process of finding bugs in already developed software, not in software code. The answer is testing. Next question. Dash is the process of finding errors in software code. The answer is debugging. Next. Dash software that is available to individual end users for free on trial basis. The answer is shareware software. Next question. A is a system which consists of hardware device and operating system on which software application can run. The answer is computer platform. Next question. Dash is a process by which a system verifies the identity of user who enters username and password to access it. And the answer is authentication. Next question. Dash is a packet of information that travels between a browser and the web server. The answer is cookie. Next question. Dash is a measure of resolution of printer scanner. The answer is DPI, that is dots per inch. Next question. What is the full form of EBCDIC? The answer is Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. Next question. Dash is a security system that prevents unauthorized person from accessing certain parts of a program, database, or network. The answer is firewall. Next question. What is the full form of Fortran? The answer is formula translation. Next question. What is the full form of GIGO? GIGO. Answer is garbage in, garbage out. Next. Dash is a device used to connect two networks having different base protocols. Answer is gateway. Next. What is the full form of GIF? Answer is graphics interchange format. Next question. Dash is a computer program that is heart of an operating system. Answer is kernel. Next. Dash refers to running of two or more programs in one computer simultaneously. Answer is multitasking. Next. Dash allows multiple functions from the same application package of an operating system. Answer is multithreading. Next. What is the full form of POP? Answer is Post Office Protocol. Next. Dash software that is available to individual and users for free where author retains copyright of the software. Answer is freeware software. Next. Dash irrelevant messages to large number of users over internet for the purpose of advertising, phishing, or spreading malwares. Answer is spam. Next. What is the full form of TCP? Answer is Transmission Control Protocol. Next. What is the full form of VPN? This could be important. Answer is Virtual Private Network. Next. Dash is a computer network that connects computers or devices within the range of an individual person. Answer is PAN, that is Personal Area Network. Next. Software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer's hardware and application programs. Answer is system software. Next, a dash software is a type of computer program that is designed to perform specific task for an end user. Answer is application software. Next question. What is the full form of COBOL? COBOL. Answer is Common Business Oriented Language. Next. What does BCC mean while sending an email? The answer is the full form of BCC is blind carbon copy. Only sender can see the list of recipients. For example, if I am sending by using BCC, then I can only see the list of all the recipients. The other person who are receiving cannot see the other recipients. Next, what does CC means while sending an email? The full form of CC is carbon copy. The other recipients also can see the list. Next question. What is the shortcut key to insert a new worksheet in MS Excel? The answer is Shift plus F11. Next question. Which is a pre-recorded formula that provides a shortcut for complex calculations in MS Excel? Answer is function. Next one. Which type of memory holds the program to start up the computer? Answer is ROM. Next. To move the cursor to the end of the document, what should be pressed? The answer is Control plus End. Next. What is the function of escape key? The answer is to abort or to end the action. Next. The smallest and fastest computer imitating brain working is? The answer is quantum computer. Next. Which program will be used to write a business letter? Will you use PowerPoint presentation, Word, or Excel? The answer is MS Word. Next. Dash refers to the unauthorized copying and distribution of software. This could be also important. The answer is piracy, that is software piracy. Next. The legal right to use software based on specific restriction is granted via? The answer is software license. Next, Dash is a software program designed to record every keystroke on the machine on which it runs. And the answer is keylogger. Next, Dash is a type of malware designed to gain administrative level control over a computer system without being detected. And the answer is rootkit. Next question. Dash is a technique to access the unauthorized data without concerning to authorized user. The answer is spoofing. Next, a host on the internet finds another host by its IP address. Next, a cookie is a? Answer is a information stored on your computer by a website when you visit. Next, what is the full form of EDI? Answer is electronic data interchange. Next, Dash printers print one character at a time. Answer is dot matrix printer. Next, impact printers example. Answer is dot matrix printer, daisy wheel printer, line printer, drum printer. See, they'll give you 3 or 4 options, okay, and they'll give you one more option which is different from this, and they may ask you which are impact printers. Okay, next, non-impact printer examples. Those are inkjet printer, thermal printer, laser printer, electromagnetic printer, electrostatic printers. So thank you. If you like this video, please subscribe to Concepts Hub. Thank you once again.